Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about more stylish and gorgeous collection of most demanding crochet baby blankets. Beautiful designing ideas, color combination contrasts, beautiful crochet baby flower blankets, star blankets, zigzag blankets, beautiful designing ideas. So friends, how are you? I'm fine. I hope you shall enjoying the best condition of health. I am back again with the most stylish, most demanding collection of baby crochet blanket patterns. See beautiful designs, beautiful color combination contrasts, very beautiful color combination contrasts. You can make easily for your babies. Take a screenshot and make these very beautiful crochet baby blankets for your babies. If you want to buy these very beautiful crochet baby blankets, then I will tell you some websites name like AliExpress, eBay.com, ETSY.com and Amazon. Leave your feedback in the comment section about my collection. How was the designs of baby crochet blanket patterns? You can see my ideas, you can enjoy my videos. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again. Allah Hafiz.